Today, countless people
trust medications, vitamins and supplements.
No matter whether it is a tablet, ointment, capsule, powder, soft gel and injectable to live a healthier lifestyle. We
are a Xieon Life Sciences Pvt Ltd. Established in the year 2007.
We are contributes to providing best qualities WHO-GMP certified medicines, supplement and injectable worldwide. Own manufacturing unit. Unit 1.
Xieon Life Sciences Pvt Ltd. Located at Karnal, Haryana. We provide high-quality yet affordable cosmetic product for skin care, hair care and personal body care.
Unit 2.
GMH Organics located at Badi, Himachal Pradesh. GMH Organics is a rapidly growing Indian pharmaceutical company with a strong presence in injectable manufacturing. Unit 3.
GMH Laboratories,
located at
Badi, Himachal Pradesh. Specialization of tablets, capsules and ointment. We provides main formulations in area of antibiotics, anti-infective, anti-inflammatory, antipyretics drugs. Unit 4. Kingston Aqua Industries Pvt Ltd. Unit 5. Xieon Life Sciences.
5,000 plus product formulation. 400 plus domestic pharmaceutical distributors. And Millennium Health Specialties. In more than 22 countries rely on us. And adding to India's success story field of healthcare services. 22 plus direct countries exports.
With the prime objective of pharmaceuticals manufacturing, marketing, promoting of pharmaceutical specialties and making medicines available also to the mankind living in the farthest interior and remote places. Last some year, the company has made greatly progress and is today a leading pharmaceutical company in the area of health care.
Our 15 plus years of experience have helped us craft wide product range. We
emphatically say one can shop under single umbrella of
Xieon.